Oh, hello there. We're so glad you could make it today.
So we are just sipping our tea because this month our whole theme is about cottagecore, and there's nothing more cottagecore than a cup of tea.
It's true. So we're getting started with this amazing collection of crafts here today. Do we just want to jump in, or did you have anything else you
No,
wanted to say?
let's just jump right in.
All right.
And one of the themes that we wanted to bring in is the goose. And I don't know if you remember, but you did have some goose things in your bedroom when you were a baby. So we wanted to do kind of this Mama Goose theme.
Perfect
So-
for Mother's Day.
Yes, perfect for Mother's Day and also for any child who loves this theme. So this little guy or girl has a hat, this little mama, and you can take it off and on. Super cute. So that's our stuffy for the month.
We love it. And as you already saw, we have this amazing addition to our felt collection. These are teacups, a little plate, look at this tea bag, and a spoon. I'm just obsessed.
You have to see how the detail on this plate is just so adorable. There's actually a ridge in here,
Yeah.
like a little tea plate.
Perfect.
We actually had a couple little girls in our studio today who were playing tea set. So it was adorable.
We love it.
Okay, the next thing that we have going on are these beautiful Lily of the Valley made from felt. And I know we have a crepe paper version of these. I think we have several versions of these on our site, but this is the first version in felt, and it is absolutely stunning. The
I
detail
love
on these.
this.
Yes. So if you like felt flowers, you're going to want to make these.
Krista really knocked it out of the park with that one.
Yes.
And along with our felt tea set collection, we just couldn't resist putting in our cookies that are made from felt. They look almost good enough to eat.
They do. I think I've actually offered them up to people as a joke, and until they pick them up, they think they're picking up a real cookie.
They don't taste good, but they're full of fiber.
And they're also very adorable. All right, so moving on to a little bit of home decor. If you're having a tea party, you're definitely going to need some trivets. And these are one of my favorite trivets that we have on the site, which are macrame. They're so pretty. Look at that detail.
Yeah, and do you know if this is a beginner or an intermediate project?
We always say that everybody can make everything because we do such a good job in our tutorials.
I agree.
To teach them. But, if you're not feeling confident with macrame, maybe start with a bit more of a simple project. I think this one is definitely worth trying, though.
Yes, and we love fiber art here, and my current favorite obsession is this beautiful embroidered jacket that Megan made on her daughter's jacket, and we have a really cute picture of Emmy here in it.
Isn't that cute?
So adorable. And I just love this pattern. You could put this on anything. It doesn't have to be a kid's jacket. It could be a tote or whatever you'd like.
I also like that she used tone-on-tone blue to kind of make it has that English garden feel and kind of a vintage feel, which to me definitely says cottagecore.
Yes, I love it. And speaking of cottages.
All right, this little guy is so cute. We have, I'll show you, I'll demo it here for you. We have a little pouch.
Here, let's put a spoon in it.
Yeah, because we're going to collect spoons in our pouch. Perfect for any child who wants to carry something cute around.
Yeah.
And you can open up the little window, and inside we have a kitty cat and a plant in the window. So we have the full tutorial and the template for this. You guys go grab that and make this for any little one or yourself if you want to. I'd wear that.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah. Another fiber piece that we have is this macrame wall wreath. And I have to say that my favorite macrame includes beads. And I absolutely am obsessed with this one.
And looking at these knots, I'm not great at macrame, but taking a look at these knots, even I recognize a couple of them. So I think this would be a great beginner's project if you can wrangle the two hoops. But I think this just looks so gorgeous.
And Megan does such a good job at teaching and doing her tutorial for these. So I am confident that anybody can make this. I am.
And with the continuing our wall art theme, a new addition to the watercolor layered art series that I've been doing. This time I did a magnolia, and the magnolias are blooming here in Portland, and I just love them. So I felt inspired to show off one of my favorite flowers, and I just had a really great time making this. And I know you guys have been really enjoying this series, so I can't wait to see you make this one and add it to the collection.
Yes, I drive to work every morning and drive through this forest of magnolia trees right now. It's just a treat to the eye, and I can now have it all year round.
Yay.
So there we have it. We also have a couple other little pieces of art, and of course you could use this as a card. This is our duo ducks here, or geese. Sorry, they're not ducks, they're geese.
They're geese.
So our duo geese.
They're a mated pair.
They are. You can use it as a card or a piece of art. I love the detail and the layering effect of this piece.
Yeah, so cute. And we can't forget, of course, if you want to get comfy and you're a cat person like me, we have this
And like your home time.
Yeah.
Home is where the cat is.
So this is a really easy, quick project. You can put this on anything, resize it, and I think it would just be really fun on a sweatshirt. Just wear it when you don't want to leave the house.
You think so?
Yeah.
It's your home sweatshirt. There you go. So if you are celebrating Mother's Day and you want to make a little special treat, here is a beautiful topper that you can use for a cake or, pretty much anything. You could use this to decorate your buffet or whatever you're wanting to do.
Put it on the frittata.
Or even put it on a plant. Put it inside of a larger plant. Really pretty way to celebrate Mom. All right. Speaking of plants and flowers, let's move over to our plant and flower.
Yes, so for our plant this month, we have the heart leaf philodendron, and this is a beautiful, it just looks so realistic. I love these draping vines.
That one is made out of double-sided crepe paper, and it has the finish of Mod Podge over the top that brings that shiny leaf, and it looks so real. This one was such a gorgeous plant that the person who made it, which was Megan, it's at her house because she loves it so much. So
we don't have that here.
So I really think that you all should make one because you're probably going to love it as much as she does.
Next up for our flower, we have the forsythia.
And the forsythia is something that you all have been asking for quite a while, and it just has that beautiful spring look. And when I'm doing arrangements, there is nothing better than a hot pop of yellow. And this is a beautiful, beautiful yellow.
And I love this shape. I think this would look so beautiful in arrangement.
Yeah, it would. And this is all wire, so you don't have to have any twigs to do this. You can make it all from, craft materials. I'm looking forward to using these in arrangement.
I've been noticing the forsythias have been blooming.
They are.
As well.
The next one that we have going on is this crepe paper Queen Anne's lace.
Yes.
There we go.
And talk about two, Megan was saying she won't make two really tiny detailed flowers again because this month was
a lot of work.
A lot of work. So I don't know if you can see how much work has been put into these. This is probably an advanced project, but wow, are they worth it? Just so gorgeous.
They're really beautiful, and I remember her coming to the office and saying how she got a little cramp in her hand. So if you're making these, give yourself lots of time where you can sit and do your fringing because there's a lot of fringing there.
All right.
Okay, for our member make this month, which is super exciting, we're going to try something a bit different, and this is actually made from cardstock. And I have to say, I was telling Megan the other day that I've never seen anyone make cardstock flowers as beautiful as she does. So we wanted to feature this as our member make this month so that you can all learn how to make exquisite cardstock flowers like this.
I can't wait to see how she did it.
And this is a wild rose. I guess I forgot to say that.
Yes. Cardstock wild rose. And do we know the date of when that member make is going to be?
Anna can tell us.
It's the third Friday of April.
Okay. So the third Friday of April, we'll be making this live at noon Pacific time, and we'd love if you joined us.
And of course, if you do miss the live, you can go back and watch the replay. So all of these projects are going to be on our site the 1st of April. This is your sneak peek, and you can find all the templates and tutorials right there, and even some of the videos.
Yeah, and you can find all of our tools and materials over in our shop, feltpaperscissors.com.
All right. So let's get crafting and
Yay.
have a wonderful April, and we'll see you next month.
Bye.